Hello students, in class 8 physics we shall learn about force and pressure. Already you know force is push or pull. Force is push or pull. I think already you have learned this definition from very beginning of your class. Here we discuss how push or pull acts on an object. For this, interaction between two objects is necessary. An object which applies a push or pull on another object. So two objects are necessary to apply a force. Suppose a person is pushing a car, then he is applying a force due to push. In the same way, if a bucket is pulled from a well, it is pulling, the force is applied by the person on the bucket, which is in the form of pull. Now suppose there are two persons or two students who push each other in this way. Then both the students apply a push to each other. If two persons or two students are pulling in this way, they are mutually apply pulling force. So in the same time, one or more forces can apply on an object. Suppose there is a huge box and one student is pushing it. Now suppose that huge box is pushed by two students. You may think that more forces is applied. Suppose that is the huge box and both the students are pushing it in opposite direction. Then the resultant force will be less. So we conclude, if the forces are applied in the same direction, they can be added. And if the forces are applied in the opposite direction, then the resultant force is the difference between them. So by this discussion, we come to know that force is not only magnitude but it is direction also. When we think about force, we must have to think about its magnitude as well as its direction. If the direction is same, the force is added. If the direction is opposite, then the resultant force will be their difference. In general, we can say that at the same time, more than one force can apply or can act on an object, but the resultant force will be the acting force will be their resultant force. Means if more forces, more than one force are acting on an object, the effect of force will be due to their resultant force. Now in our next class, we shall study about the effect of force. Thank you.